how to divide numbers without columns and calculators. It will take us just 1 minute to solve all of it together, and then you will solve the last one all by yourself. To divide by 10, 100, 1000, just count the number of zeros in the denominator. In number 10, there is just one zero, so the answer will also have just one digit after the dot. In the second example, there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so the answer will have 1, 2, 3 digits after the dot. Look, in the next example, the denominator is 300, so now what? Is it a dead end? No, it's not. Let's just cut the numerator and the denominator so that 300s turn into 100. And that is by 3, so we get 300s. 100 has 2 zeros, so the answer will also have 2 digits after the dot. In the next example, we turn 4,000 into 1,000, so we reduce it by 4. So here we got 4 and here we got 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so the answer will also have 3 digits after the dot. In the next example, we can no longer reduce, but we need to change the denominator somehow. So let's multiply the denominator by 2 and do the same thing to the numerator. Now we get 6 hundredths. The 100 has 2 zeros, so the answer will also have 2 digits after the dot. In this example, we need to turn 250 into 1,000. So let's multiply it by 4 so that we get 8 thousandths. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so the answer will have 3 digits after the dot. So, can you solve this example all by yourself without a calculator?